So guys, on my truck, I got good news. Well, great, pretty good news. I mean, I guess it's not great, but it's not bad either. Got the insurance check over the weekend. It's like 21 some odd dollars, like 21.38 or something like that. I'm gonna go take that to the bank right now. I just got off the phone with American Truck. I got a bumper coming, bumpers coming. I got a grill coming. Also from Amazon, I bought, what did I buy? I bought a bumper bracket, and I only got one of those so far. I got the lower louvers. I went ahead and got that, and I got, just in case, the trans bracket. There's a lot of part sites out there that are just scams, meaning you put in all the part numbers, the pretty good prices, and then you look at the shipping. Most of them wanted like $280 for shipping. One wanted like $180. They're all over the place. A local dealer that I don't like, I've talked about them, they actually had reasonable shipping, although their parts were more, they're a little bit more. Their shipping was like $8 for the shutter system. Well, eBay, brand new, people are selling them for basically the, like I can get the shutter for $254, I think it is, on eBay, free shipping, brand new. Everywhere else, if they say $250, tack on another $70 or more, or a lot more. A lot of places I emptied the cart out as I was doing the ordering, and just the shutter, some places wanted like another $160 on top. And the layout's all the same, so they're all using the same part thing. They're just slightly different shipping rates, but they're making the money on the shipping. Total scam. I hate websites that do that. That is just too gimmicky for me. It doesn't make any sense to do that. It just ticks people off. Do people actually hit the order button then? I was like, no, I'm scouring and gonna find other places like Amazon. Order like the trans bracket. I order that just in case, just if I need it, because they said I might need it. So it was $25 for $25 and at free shipping. I'll order it, and that was the same cost that I found on those other sites. So it's like, so what is the deal? You know, so that's why I order some parts off Amazon. Other parts, well, I'm doing aftermarket bumper and grill, so that came from American Trucks. They gave me a discount because I just asked. I didn't really push it or anything. So that was nice of them, so thank you. I still have to get the shutters, or the upper shutter, louvers, or whatever you want to call them. And like I said, that I'll have to get my wife because I don't use eBay. That's like $254. I'll get her order that tonight, and then that can be on its way. And I'm trying to think, yeah, that's basically it. Oh, I also am going to get a whole new camera setup, dash cam. I'm going to get probably a black view. I have an email out to them. They're in South Korea, so we'll see if they do any type of discount. A lot of times with foreign companies, they just don't care. But all I did was ask for a coupon because they have a coupon code spot. So see if they'll give me a coupon code. I think it's $4.99 is their MSRP. You can get it on Amazon for $4.33. So if they beat $4.33, I will just order it directly from Blackview. But I'm pretty much going to get one. I told them that I'm going to get one. It's just, what type of, can they give me a code or a discount, some sort of deal, to just help out. It doesn't hurt to ask. That's where a lot of people make the mistake. They just don't ask. Why don't you ask? A little bit saved here, a little bit saved there. That allows me almost buy. I'll have to pull some money out of Meeker Extreme to completely buy the dash cam set because it's going to be front and rear. And like I said, it's $4.99 is MSRP or $4.33 off Amazon. It's going to be a lot better than the Yi Ultra Dash Cam, which I don't like the Yi Ultra Dash Cam. It helped out in the situation, but if I could have got what the guy was doing behind me, it would have been a lot more epic. When you get somebody that's going like that across the line and we're so close to you, even on camera, it would have been like, he's tailgating, he's going across the double yellow multiple times, Is he drunk? What's going on? If I would have had that footage, that would have just helped out that much more, that this guy was being an aggressor from the get-go, and his choices he made led to me hitting him after he got in front of me, passing a double yellow. And, you know, it would look a lot more favorable, especially if I take this to a jury trial, which we can do in Colorado. We can. It's a 6-person trial. It's not a 12 because it's not a murder. It's just a traffic offense. So you can either have jury by judge or jury by your peers. And I don't know which way I'll go. Well, I don't know how far the DA is going to really want to go with this. I don't know how far I want to go with this. And at the end of the day, it might be one of those where, you know, change it to a non-moving violation. I pay the court $200-300 and we call it a day. You know, I have a clean record and I keep my clean record at least. And, you know, if I go apply for a job and they ask for driving, I'm not like, you know, especially careless. Something careless just sounds so bad. I mean, at the end of the day, I haven't had any tickets for so long. And when I did, they were just minor speeding violations. So not a huge deal. And yeah, we'll see, you know, what happens there. But yeah, I'm excited. The parts should come in by the end of this week for a lot of them. Obviously, I'm not going to tackle until all the parts come in. And hopefully, I don't need anything else on the car. The intercooler, there's nothing wrong with it. The transcooler's not leaking. You know, the radiator's not leaking. So a minor little scuff or something, I don't care about. It's fine. You know, I don't replace on my bikes when I get a little ding or something, and they do. There's some are squashed on the side just slightly. They don't leak. They work just fine. So with the aftermarket bumper, I probably didn't have to do the lower louvers on the truck, but I figured for $135, I'll just go ahead and get it. I could have saved $135, and probably with the aftermarket bumper, not really need the louvers, but I'm like, well, it still might help with the aerodynamics somewhat. I don't know. So I at least ordered it, and I'll have it. Even if I don't use it, I just toss it in the attic or wherever in a bin, and it's a part I have if I want to put on the truck. We'll see what I do. I'll probably just put it on. But that's where we are on the truck and fixing it. It should be good, you know. I'm glad that to get the insurance has pretty much been no hassle. I'm just hoping there's nothing else under there that I take the bumper off. I'm like, oh my God. But they didn't really think so when I got the estimate. And just me looking at it as a layperson, it's really not that bad. You know, it's just that bumper is toast. Now, if I wanted to replace the parts that are on it, I could have did that like next to nothing really. But figured why not bring you guys a different front bumper aftermarket and make it match with the rear. A lot of people would just do the front. So I'm spending the extra money that I could pocket, and I'm doing the rear bumper too. It'll match. And then a different grill that actually will probably let in more air than the factory grill, if you can see that back there. And it won't have the Ford logo, but it will have 3 LED lights, orange, amber lights at the top, which should be pretty cool. You know, just a little more visibility, you know, when you're driving, especially at night. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and check out my other videos. Have a good one.